visiting UCAM Private Limited, a company that is located in the Peenya industrial area in Bengaluru. This company is known for manufacturing precision CNC rotary tables. Their advanced models include the URQ series, as well as the large bore tilting tables that are catering to industries such as the automotive, aerospace, and medical. As we get closer to the upcoming ACMEE 2025 exhibition, UCAM is preparing to showcase its latest innovations. So how about we head inside and talk to an avid leader who knows everything about the company's participation in the upcoming exhibition. I'm joined here today by Mr. Varun Dev, UCAM Private Limited, and so we'll be talking about the company's participation in the upcoming ACMEE 2025 event. Currently, automation and digital transformation are more than just buzzing words in the industry. They're actually reshaping industries. So on that note, could you tell us how UCAM is integrating concepts like these in their product offerings, and what impact do you foresee in the CNC tech sector in the coming years?
UCAM doesn't only use automation and Industry 4 technologies in our product offerings, we also use it intensively in our organization, whether it be in manufacturing operations, in our own machine shop where we have precision machining. We use flexible manufacturing systems, a lot of IoT concepts in our own manufacturing setup. We utilize data analytics to see how much inventory we need to carry, what about quality statistics. So we actually saw the benefit of this technology and we wanted to explore how we can give this to our customers as well. We launched our UCAM Connect. So that's a platform that we have created for 4th and 5th axis rotary indexing tables, mainly focused on corporate customers, SMEs, where you can enable your rotary indexing tables on a particular platform. Apart from this, we also have automation solutions offering, where if you want to automate your pick and place of components on top of your rotary indexing tables, we help and support that initiative as well.
Now that we have an idea of how your company's product offerings integrate the current trends in the industry, could you tell us a bit about what visitors can expect from the company at ACMEE 2025 in terms of what the company will be displaying this year?
Yeah. So basically at ACMEE 2025, we're looking at many customers who visit us in general engineering. There are people who make pumps, valves, gearboxes. There are automotive clients. So we have expanded our range in our 5th axis offering. So we launched a new 150 diameter tilting table or 250 diameter tilting table, which is a 5th axis table which has a higher swing. So these are two new products apart from a fast moving product that's a 200 USSR cube. The market is well known for that. We have also be showcasing our automation solution over there, how we can design the entire concept and enable SMEs and corporate customers to start utilizing automation, UCAM Connect, like what I mentioned. Then our URX 320 table, which is also a fast moving product in this particular sector. So these are things, product oriented offerings that we offer. Plus we're always there to take concepts. We like to take feedback from our customers, and we're available at that market.
As you said, the company supports MSMEs, and MSMEs are the backbone of our industry. So on that note, could you tell us a bit about how, during the exhibition, the company will be, providing support and guidance to SMEs that are looking to enhance their productivity and their competitiveness?
Yeah. So we launched our Boosting Machining Productivity series. It's basically a seminar series that we're doing all across India. We'll be bringing that to Chennai, Coimbatore as well, where we showcase concepts, how to utilize products like 4th and 5th axis, how to optimize a product products, reduce your setup times, reduce your cost per component in this fashion. We take the industry knowledge, industry benchmarks, and we present this. So we do a lot of knowledge sharing for MSMEs. We also help and guide them how to effectively utilize the machining center to improve their productivity.
And on a final note, do you have a message to people who are excited to visit the company's booth during the exhibition?
Yes, so ACMEE 2025 is a very important show for us. It's that market is very important. We're placed in Hall E, stall 27. We've been participating at ACMEE for a very long time. We also sponsor the show as well. It's a very important show, and there's a lot of buzz that's happening in that region. And please do visit us. We're showcasing our latest IoT Connect software called UCAM Connect. We're launching new products at that show. Please do visit us.
So there you have it, straight from Mr. Varun Dev. Make sure to visit UCAM Private Limited at the upcoming ACMEE 2025 exhibition taking place from June 19th to 23rd at the Chennai Trade Center.